Hi guys, my name is Stefan Münzinger. I'm the manager of Ford Performance in Europe. And today I want to introduce TrackPack on Focus ST. TrackPack is an optional package that you can order. It consists of a bunch of technical upgrades in the area of suspension, brakes, tires, but it's also visually differentiated. And it's quite unique in the sense of that it combines a bunch of high-end technical components that do make the car track capable, and I'm convinced will be very appealing to the enthusiasts. So before we jump into the technical detail, let's actually take a look at the vehicle. So the car sits 10 millimeter lower than standard Focus ST. It's an adjustable suspension. And on the outside, you are picking up right away, it has a high gloss black exterior theme, indicating the uniqueness of TrackPack. So let's go and take it out to the track. Okay, let's see what this car's got. So, lots of body control here over these bumps. Pretty nice actually. Nicely controlled in these quicker bends. Not much body roll at all, to be honest. So let's talk about the suspension in more detail. It's a KW suspension. It's based on KW variant 3. It was jointly developed by my team with KW for usage in Focus ST. It's fully adjustable, so ride height can be adjusted, of course, within legal limits. And the bottom, the compression ratio can be adjusted, and on the top, rebound damping can be adjusted. It's a very high-end valve technology for optimum performance. The rim, it's a unique rim for Focus ST TrackPack, a floor-formed wheel, which is lighter than the standard rim. So total weight save of the rim tire combination is 1.5 kilogram per wheel. Another highlight of TrackPack, it's a 4-piston fixed caliper Brembo brake system. Standard Focus ST has 330 millimeters. TrackPack brakes have 363 millimeters. So a significant upgrade in thermal capacity and also track durability. Talk about the tire. It's a Pirelli P0 Corsa, providing lots of grip actually. You can feel it in this corner. It's a significant amount of grip. It's a tire that is specifically tuned for application in Focus ST, and it has a specific spec, Ford Performance spec. There's a marking on the side of the tire. So you can order this tire in the aftermarket. Okay, so that's enough on the track. I hope you had fun. I did. Okay guys, this is TrackPack. I want to re-emphasize the fact that this is a significant upgrade to the vehicle. You know, high-end suspension, huge brakes, grippy tires. It's just a really, really nice package. I hope you had fun. I had fun. That's what this is all about. Thank you for watching.